Hi guys, in today's video we'll be looking at Angular's component. So what is a component? So a component is actually, it consists of uh, can say three sections. So you got the TypeScript file, the TS file, which is a class, and we've got a template, which is an HTML or the Angular template, and we've got metadata as well. So normally, uh, in a normal website, you're going to have HTML pages, and there will be some JavaScript file that will perform some client side programming. So in Angular, so the TS file will be the kind of the JavaScript or TypeScript file that will can be used to perform some operation on the HTML file, which is a template file, and also it can bind some properties. So you can have some properties over here which have some values, and that values will be represented uh, on the template. Uh, and it can be a two-way binding as well. So changes in the value will be reflected on the template or on the page as well. And there are event binding as well, like on-click handlers, which you can bind to the template. So in this video, we're going to see how we can, generate a component into our program. So this is the program that the default program that we installed the other day, and it's got the main module file, and it's got the HTML file here. So to create a template or to generate templates, I'm going to go on my terminal, so where my project is, which is a school system. So I'm going to use the code, so it's going to be ng. So I can run generate, or I can just simply use the letter G. I'm going to type in C, and that will generate the component. So I'm going to put a name as well. So ng component, so I'm going to call that student. So I hope this works. Okay, yes. So I need to put the word sudo again. GC students, and my password, and you will see that here it is. So it has generated a component for me. So if I click over here, so you can see there is the TS file. Okay, so it's got the metadata, which is over here, and I've got the class, which is over here, the student component, and I've got my HTML file, which is over here. So let me try to run this this program and see if I can do something with that component. So I'm gonna type in, so to run it's ng serve, or I can just put ngs. Let me type in sudo s, and I can to open my browser. So it's going to compile all the files, and then I'll be able to view the okay, yes. So here it is. So the school system is running. So this is what we look in today. So we can put that ng, or n, just use the letter G, and C for component, and then here you type in the name of that component. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to add this component into the main component over here. So what I will need to use, I will need to use the selector. Okay, so as you can see, we have selector app student. Just like in HTML, you got HTML tags. So I'm going to use this selector over here, or this tag over here, app student, and that I can place this component into other components. So I'm going to place that into my main component over here. So this is a page that is displayed when I launch my files. So I'm going to put it, I can just put it somewhere here. Just put it here. So I'm going to put that in a div. And I'm going to put this here, so it's up student. I'm going to save that. Sorry, so that's S. Let's permission try sudo super user. Okay, so let me see that. Okay, I think there's some permission issues over here. So now let me see if it displays. Okay, so I'm going to try to refresh this page. Here it is, student works. So this is the HTML page in my student over here. Okay, so I can add something different over here. So let me add another paragraph. This is a new component created. Okay, so if I save this, okay, so I will have to I need to do something about this permission, and then if I go on my browser, so you can see it's already appears over there. So this is how we create a new component, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.